Come on, sweetheart. There you go. It's a windy day. It's 71 degrees. We are going to work today. Oh, Beba. This is the young one. Tell by the legs. There you go, sweetheart. This bird will outlive me. They're so beautiful. Breezy day. So pretty. There you go, honey. I thought yesterday was Saturday, but yesterday was Friday. I took yesterday off because I thought it was Saturday. Oops. I don't know why nature gave this bird a yellow foot, but it's the cutest thing ever. I'm going to set this down a little bit further. There we go. You're so pretty. Such a pretty bird. It's warm enough today. We will be working. Thinking about? You're thinking about having some more food? Look at you. You're beautiful, baby. Beautiful, baby. The only way we can tell a male egret from a female egret is the male egret is fatter until spring. And then the girls seem to get a little big. But that's because they don't lay eggs and they baby birds. Did you lose your hot dog? Here's one. Hey, baby. have him over here to get the bird to come closer, but not gonna happen. I would rather hear the trees in the background and the sounds than music. I think it's a more authentic video than dubbing music in. Right, sweetie? You looking at me? You looking at me? Listening. I don't know what they did with the kitten, but some people across the street in the yellow building took the kitten when I was at work. Nobody asked me. They just took it. Which is probably better to get it a new home because I couldn't bring her in the house. Bye, bird. Bye-bye. Say bye, birdie. Birdie's going bye-bye now. So are we. Have a great day, night, evening, life. Happy New Year.